Hi everyone, it's me, Backmaster1991 again, and I'm back with the Hoover React Quick Lift Upright Vacuum. It says it has the ultimate clean automatically, fluorescence technology, wind tunnel surge power, and no loss of suction performance. A sealed allergen system. It's a Bluetooth enabled vacuum because of the app. Has the portable lift canister, no loss of suction with the multi-cyclonic LED headlights, the wind tunnel surge, the maneuverable, the sealed system, the rinseable filters, the easy detach hose, and the suction control valve. Also, a warning from Backmaster1991 is that the Bissell Power Fresh Slim Steam Mop is dangerous. I have burnt myself on it. Whenever you press the button to turn it off, it won't turn off. Well, it will, just for a minute, and then it will keep spraying steam, and I've burnt myself multiple times. I'm gonna return it. Okay, what the heck? Huh. I don't know where that came from. I'll worry about that another time. So, my socket's supposed to be black, and now there's orange on it. I don't know what the heck. Okay, so let's get into this. So it doesn't have a tape on the box. It just comes off like that. And this comes off like this. I'm just going to put it on its side. It's going to be easier. You can see my React Professional pet in the background. I have two of these now because I like it so much. Crevice tool. Nice crevice tool. Not much airflow path on the front. The turbo tool. See how this one compares to their professional pets. It's pretty much the same. Oh, wait, no, it's not. I like what they did with this. They got rid of the rubber. They got rid of the rubber on the side. That means it's easier to push across the carpet because the rubber creates resistance on, like, when I'm cleaning my stairs, and it's hard to push. They got rid of the rubber. I like that. So here comes the dusting brush. Super soft bristles. So here comes more packing junk. Here is the hose. Yeah, it looks like it's jammed in there. Here comes the wand. The nice aluminum wand, pretty nice quality. No wires, but I didn't get the powered reach version. That's not something I would particularly use. Okay, it's pretty well stuck in here. I'm going to open the other side and see what is making it do this. Oh, I see. There we go. Okay, now I need to move this box. Let me grab all this stuff. Oh, here's the hose. The hose. It's not super long, but remember it's the lift away version. Or lift off. What? Quick lift. see the tool storage. Let's dig into these instructions and see where the tools go. Welcome to a new generation of clean. Where to store the tools. Okay. God, that fits in there. It's nice and snug. So does that. And then this, let's see if I can fit this on here. Nope, doesn't fit. Let's see if it fits on here. Nope. Well, I still have to find a place to put that. Let me unravel this cord. Okay. Here is, let's see if I can get this sticker off. I don't have much when it comes to fingernails. I gotta figure out how to get this sticker off.
You know, they were talking about the attic insulation thing, and they said insulation in your attic is easy to add. If you ever decide you want to increase, it's nothing below in there, you know what I mean? But is it wall insulation has to be done strong enough for that? Something that's not insulated, then
Look at that. Let me go put this on over somewhere. Back in just a second. So here's the powered reach, or not powered reach, but the reach model compared to my professional pet model. You can see it's definitely much smaller. The bin is a lot smaller. Let's see the difference in the filters. Here's the professional pets filter. Here's the powered reaches filter. Or not powered reach. What is this? Quick lift. Excuse me. Quick lift. Let's see if it has the same cyclone design. Okay, yeah, the seal got stuck on here. But the cyclones look the same. The bin is definitely smaller, but here's the cyclone pack. It is exactly the same.
There's not much difference. There's a difference in time. It's not substantial. There's a huge difference in us if we were trying to go from cultured marble to
Of course, the bin on this vacuum is much smaller than the bin on this vacuum, but again, I dump my vacuums after every use, so that is not a problem for me. I don't leave them full of dirt. So stay tuned. I'm going to check out the cleaner head next. I'm not quite finished with the video. Bristles are pretty stiff. Those little airflow channels going through the cleaner head. So everyone, stay tuned for the first test of the Hoover React Quick Lift. But before I do that, I want to see how big the motor is. Not because I really care about how much energy it uses, but because to see how much suction, like just how much airflow and suction power it'll have. I don't know where it would say that. Oh wow, they put it down here. Okay. Motor is 11 amps. Same size as the professional pet, and in a much smaller package. So same size motor, a little bit of a shorter hose, but I haven't used the lift away yet. There it is. It's pretty cool. I like that. So everyone, stay tuned. I will be making the first test video of this vacuum. See you guys soon.